Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, well, I'm here. I really want to go to Target today because I was there the other day and I saw the coolest Lego set that I've ever seen. It's one that I've been wanting for a really long time, and I really want to go back today to see if they still have it. And yeah, if they don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna have to scrap this video, and yeah, but I'm also going to be doing a Q&A in this video. I've been having a lot of fun talking to you guys, engaging with my community, and helping you guys out in my Discord server, and it's made me feel a lot closer to the community and really get a feel for who you guys are. And yeah, so today I want to do a Q&A, let you guys know a little more about me, although I will say I'm a little private. I won't reveal everything, but we'll see, I guess. Alright guys, we just made it to Target, but the first question, and that is, what's your favorite anime? My answer to that is Death Note, Samurai Champloo, Cowboy Bebop. I love Naruto, and I love Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood, and those are just a few. There's so many more that I haven't seen. There's so many that I didn't name that are really good, like Demon Slayer and Attack on Titan, and yeah, you guys already know. If you don't watch anime, I highly suggest that you guys give it a chance, and yeah, but those are some of my favorites, and let me know your favorite in the comments down below. Alright guys, we did it. We secured the Lego set, and I'm super excited to build this thing. I've been wanting this ever since I was a kid, and I even have a place for it already in my room, so super excited. But back to the Q&A real quick, and that is, what job do you have? And the answer to that is, I used to work a lot. I used to have a chicken job, I used to work at the post office, I even used to work at a hat shop. But thankfully, I've been able to establish for myself my own business where I can just focus on creating videos, creating content, helping you guys and inspiring you guys. And it's incredible that brands will actually pay thousands of dollars to use your voice, your content, your community, to sell to them, for you to create content for them. So it's just crazy. I'm seeing it with my own eyes right now, and YouTubers make money. It's crazy, but I'm still early to this. I'm still brand new. I don't know what I'm doing. Going down this path is very risky. It's very rocky. There's no set path. There's no set direction to follow. So you're kind of just on your own, and it's much different from getting a degree and getting a job that way traditionally. So make sure you guys do a lot of research. Make sure you guys do a lot of reading and studying if you guys want to get into this industry, because it's possible, but it's not easy. You guys have to put in the groundwork. It's not just making videos and then boom, you're rich and famous. It's more of, you got to study business, you got to learn how to make videos, you have to learn culture, community, and then you have to overall be a humble, good-hearted human being. Otherwise, everybody will know that you're a fake from a mile away. So yeah, that's my job. I make videos and I love it. Wow, I forgot how cool it was to get a brand new Lego set, lay out all the pieces, and start putting it together. It feels so nostalgic and it just hits home. But back to the Q&A, and the question is, do you shoot all your videos by yourself? And the answer is yes. I shoot everything by myself. This YouTube video you're watching, all the TikToks and all the shorts, everything is done by me. All the photos on Instagram are taken by myself, and all the stories and everything in between, it's all done by me. And yeah, I put in a lot of work, and I don't really hang out with a lot of my friends. And it's not that I don't love my friends, sorry guys, but it's because I'm very focused on my content and my videos. Whenever I do something with someone else, it can be distracting or it can take me away from my focus. And when I'm going out to film, I have a very specific idea and very specific things that I want to push out, a shot list of things that I need, and yeah, it's just very specific, and I need all of my attention and all of my focus to be on that video and nothing else. I can't really just go out to hang out and play around. I have to go out with an objective and to fully push it out. So yeah. Alright guys, I just finished the first part to the Lego set, and the first thing that I noticed was it was really hard to get started, to find the super small pieces and start putting everything together. But once I started to get the ball rolling, once I started to get my rhythm and a feel for it, everything started to fall into place just like it should have. And that's not only the case for a Lego set, that's for everything in life, skateboarding as well. Of course, that first step, trying to learn how to ollie or even just trying to get comfortable on your board, is gonna be super hard. But once you unlock that comfortability on your board, learning how to ollie, learning how to kickflip, learning everything else starts to fall into place. But it's just taking that first step. So build that momentum, start working at it, and you guys got it. Alright guys, as much as I want to finish this Lego set, I have to go help out my family with some things, so I'll come back to it. But for now, we're gonna go on an adventure, so let's get it. Alright guys, I'm back, but this time with a super big studio light because the sun went down, and yeah, it happens I guess. I had to help my grandma out with something, and what can you do, you know? But I'm back here trying to finish up this Lego set, and yeah, I think we could do one more question before we get back into it, so let's see. How does it feel to have an amazing supportive fan base? Honestly, it's incredible. It's so insane to have people who support and believe in all my dreams, but what it came from was me giving to you guys first, without expectations, without asking for anything in return. I never even asked for a follow or a like. All that I did was just give to you guys, teach you guys how to skateboard, give you guys something of value, and just keep on giving without asking for anything in return. And now it's gotten to a point where anytime I put something out, you guys want to buy back into that. You guys want to do all that you can for me because I've already done so much for you. So give as much love as you can out there, and I promise you guys that love will come full circle right back to you. So yeah. Alright guys, looks like we're getting somewhere, but I guess we can do a quick little Q&A real quick. And the next question is, who is your favorite skater and your favorite skate brands? And I don't have any favorite skate brands, but my favorite skater is definitely Dylan Jabe. He's super young, but he just makes skateboarding look so easy. All of his tricks are just so floaty, and I wish that I could have my style to look like his. So if you guys don't know, check it out. Super amazing skater. His switch game is insane, and yeah, that's my favorite skater. Alright guys, I'm getting closer to finishing the Lego set, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired and I feel like I've been working on this thing forever, but it's all good. Let's do another Q&A and hop back into it. So the next question we have is, what got you into making content? And the answer to that is, I've always wanted to be a content creator. When I was growing up, I grew up watching YouTubers. I grew up watching them develop their businesses and watch them live the lives that they wanted to live. And I just knew that I could do that for myself. Something about it just told me that I can do the same thing. So here I am, trying, and honestly, it's working out. But it took a lot of work, it took a lot of time, and it took a lot of effort as well. So don't think it's easy, but it's possible. Alright guys, we are almost there. All I have left is one more baggie to go through and we are finished. That is it for the Lego set, but let's get another Q&A before we finish it off. And yeah, the next question we have is, do you have any tips for somebody who's trying to get sponsored? And my tip for anybody who wants to get sponsored is, it doesn't matter how good you are at skateboarding at all. What really matters is your impact, your influence to the culture, how much you can impact the skateboarding community. For me, it's how many tutorials I put out there, how much I teach you guys, and how much value I give. All that has came full circle right back round to me, and that's what got me sponsored. But for someone else, it could be different. Some people, it's how talented they are at skateboarding. For others, it's the videos that they create and the influence that they bring. So it really depends, but just don't give up on yourself and just keep trying, because anybody can do it. Alright guys, it's finished. It took a whole lot longer than I expected, and hopefully I never have to do it again. But I have one last question before I send you guys off, and the last Q&A question is, how did you come up with your name, Young Wavy? And the simple way I came up with Young Wavy is I stole it. I took it from Young Lean, but I switched it with Wavy, and it sounded fluid and it sounded good, so I just ran with it. But that's not the only way that I came up with Young Wavy. I wanted you guys to feel like you guys could be me, that you guys could also be Young Wavy. And I wanted this channel to be more about you guys than it was about me. I wanted to help you guys learn something, help you guys develop skills, and help you guys do things that you guys weren't doing before. And ultimately, I just wanted this channel to be more about you than it is about me. So I know that I go by Young Wavy and that is my quote-unquote name, but just know that that name isn't really referring to me as a person, but it's more of referring to the community I've built and to all of you guys and to everyone who's learned something from me. You guys are Young Wavy. I'm just the leader of the group. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I had a lot of fun making it. This one, I don't even know how long it's gonna be, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. So till next time, peace out.